Hello folks, we're here today with Affordable Parts, and they've come up with a very innovative product that the owner, Kevin Takama, is going to tell us about. Kevin, tell us about your product.
That's right, Clay. We actually we reinvented the wheel. And what we did is we took the old standard V-Packer wheel that used to be on the back of the drills, and we made it into our own something kind of special here. And yeah, we're pretty excited about it.
Well, that's fantastic, Kevin. Tell us a few of the key points that makes your wheel better than the original wheel.
Well, the original wheel is made with recycled rubber, and it's made in a spaghetti-like process where they spit it out, they fold it over, and they stitch it together. And when you do that, you get very inconsistent sidewall formation on the inside. You get different diameters. Where ours is made in almost like an injected mold process with brand new rubber from one of our suppliers, and we build it on a split rim. So now the farmer can recycle his rim, and he can also recycle his rubber, or in the future just replace the rubber. So it's pretty crazy. We're pretty excited about it, and we're hoping to do a bunch more other product lines with this process.
That's very cool, Kevin. So if I understand correctly, when the farmer wants to replace this rubber, he has to change the entire assembly, rubber and wheel and all?
He has to change the entire assembly, plus there's no way to really recycle it because the rubber's built onto the rim, which means it ends up in a hole behind the farmer's farm or stacked on pallets just waiting to do something with them. You can't burn them, you can't bury them, they just sit there doing nothing.
So this is definitely not a very much environmentally friendly kind of product.
It's not environmentally friendly at all.
But this one is 100% recyclable, the
100%.
metal and the rubber.
Yeah, it's just 4 bolts from the split rim. Unbolt it, off goes your rubber to the rubber pile or rubber recycler, and then the metal goes to the metal recycler. Then at the end of the day, you get some coffee or beer money.
Fantastic. So, to recap, yours is going to last longer. It's a better process in the making of it.
Yep.
And when the farmer wants to replace just the rubber, now he can.
Now he can.